Sumif. Sumif function is a combination of two functions, one sum and the another if. Sum is the total value of a range of cells and if is the value to be returned for a logical condition. When we combine sum with if, it will return the total value of a range of cells when it satisfies a logical condition. Here we have four product codes. We want to understand the total sales of this product code. The syntax is equal to sum if bracket start. It is asking for the range. Which range is the condition? Range I have selected, comma. Then it is asking for criteria. Criteria is this product code, comma. Then which range to be calculated? It is asking for some range. It is highlighting it. Which one to be put? It is highlighting. This is the sum range. So 7,12,000 is the total value of the sales for this particular product. I am copying the formula to all these cells. It has returned the value. Now then again I am putting is equal to sum if. It is asking the range. The range has been selected. Then it is asking for the criteria. Criteria is this product code. Then it is asking for the sum range. Now we got the total paid amount for this particular product. Again I am copying the formula. Yes, Control C and Control V, that we all already know. Again I want to understand the total balance amount for all these products. Again same formula is equal to sum if. It's asking for the range. Which range to be? This is the product code range, comma. Then criteria selected and again comma. Then which column? I have selected the column range. There is no total balance amount for the first product. I am checking for another. Only one product has having some balance. Other all have zero balance. This we can check through filter also whether this value return is correct or not. Putting the filter which we already learned. Those who want to understand that, I will put it in the description for how to put the filters. So filter I have selected. The HDSC, the product code HDSC. The total value is 7,12,000 and the total amount is 7,12,000 and the balance amount is 0. Again it is for HCPC. I am checking the HCPC also. The total sale amount is 32,52,000 004. 32,52,004. Here the value is correct. The total paid amount is 22,11,000. Is it correct? Yes, it is correct. And the total balance amount is 10,41,004. Is it correct? Yes. This is all about sum if. Thanks for watching.